Welcome everybody. Travel about. We're here today at the sanctuary Serengeti in Texas, right outside of Grange, Texas. And we just got here. We're about to drive through. This is a drive-through safari park. And we're right here on the interstate, that's 71. And we're just kind of killing time. There's someone ahead of us. I'm gonna let them get ahead a little bit. And we got a bucket of food, and obviously that's what they're doing up there. They're feeding the animals. We'll do that too. And when we get back with our tour here, we're gonna come over to the petting zoo, and there's a gift shop, stuff like that. Here we go. So we got ostriches sticking their heads in the window, trying to eat food. And he's looking for the bucket. He's looking for the bucket. Hang on. Let me get some more here. They will eat out of your hand, but they're He wants more food.
Well, don't give him any more. He's being greedy.
Are you greedy? Are you greedy? There you go. No, he wants to eat out of my hand. He won't take what I'm throwing out. Somebody will get it.
Yeah, the little goats over here.
The goats are getting it?
Yeah.
I know, buddy. You're very friendly. Look at you.
And there's a pig over here.
There's a pig. Well, I can't see that side of the road, so.
And a billy goat.
Yeah, they got the goats and the reindeer behind us. Let's see, here comes the reindeer. Oh, look, I got a little goat down here. Hey, goat. What you doing? Oh. Ah. Here, Bitty, Bitty. There you go. Here, Bitty, Bitty. There you go, everybody. All right, guys, we got pigs, goats, ducks, ostriches. There is a reindeer on the other side of us somewhere. He doesn't want to come up here. Yep, there's a duck. Oh, look at this guy with the big horns. Look at you. Oh, you want something? What's that noise? Oh, shit. They're hitting the truck. I'm moving forward. They're hitting the truck. Oh, boy. They probably put a hole in it with the horns. No. Yeah, they hit the truck pretty hard there. They got in a little feeding frenzy fight. Let's get away from them. Hopefully they didn't put a hole in my truck. He's only got one horn. No, this is the guy with the horns. We're moving away from him. So there is a buffalo there. I'm gonna see if I can get it on the camera for you. There he is. They're following the food. There's that one. He's up here again, that one that hit the truck with his horn. Well, I don't think he did it intentionally, but see what they're doing? They're battling for the food. They're fighting each other, so their horns just kind of hit the side. Okay, we finally got the reindeer, guys. Here he is. He came over. Let me feed him so he'll stay here for a second. Reindeer, reindeer, hey reindeer. Look at you. There he is. Got a reindeer and a pig. We got a very mad goose over there. You hear him? Okay, I got so many animals in front of me, I'm afraid to move the truck. But we're gonna ease. Oh! This, I think they're all gone. This one attacked them all to get the food. Look how noisy they are. Okay, they're going over. I threw the food away from the truck. So we got a billy goat. Gotta move forward because they don't want to move. There's a billy goat with a beard. He's coming for some food. What's going on there, billy goat? You hungry? And we got a couple baby lambs there. And we got something big over here. Big horn. Let's feed the lambs. They look hungry. Nope. Ducks don't like dog food or whatever this food is. You know what? It looks like a turkey. It's a grouse. They're very loud. I think these are grouse. Guineas, that's it. Guineas. Guineas, possibly. If anybody knows, write it in the comments. Grouse or a guinea. Very loud. I was going to add some of these to my chicken coop. Like as a warning. So if any animal were to come in the chicken coop, you heard how loud they were. I never did it, but I was going to do it. Look at the brown one, y'all. What is that? You know, I don't really know what these are. A African style deer. He's been rubbing up on a tree or something. Look at him. Out of your head, you want some? Yeah, and now that I look at him closer, that's not a normal deer. So that's it's something exotic species. It is a kangaroo. Their kangaroos are up there in the corner. That's why they're in a cage.
Laying down.
Yeah, kangaroos in the corner, guys, right there. And I got a really long horn coming at me. Here you go, buddy. No, I threw it over there. Okay, he didn't not too interested. Over here, piggies. All right, guys, we got a little mama pig is coming, and the baby pigs.
They're all over here.
I went to the other side. I'm trying to get them over here. Guys, we got the babies over here now. Little baby piggies. This one's called bacon. That's pork chop. That's Boston butt. And that's spare ribs. Guys, I didn't know there was camels here, but there he is. And he's coming for some food.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Here comes a camel with about a 50-foot tongue. He's coming for the food bucket.
Should I hold it out there?
Yeah, hold the food bucket out for a second. Hold on tight. He'll take it out of your hand. Hold it out further out the window, Leslie. Push it out. Okay, pull it in.
Okay, we're done.
I told you.
We're done.
Pull it in. Pull it in all the way.
Go away.
No.
Oh, shit. No.
He's in the truck. I'm going to move forward.
Go away.
That was great.
Here comes the other one.
He came in the truck.
Holy shit.
He came all the way over. He got the food. Throw some out for this one. Don't let him get in.
Gotta roll the window up.
No, he coming in.
No.
Oh, look, he was in my side. I didn't even see him. He stuck his head in here. All right, on this side, we've got some little ponies, one of which is coming up to the truck. Let's see if we can feed him. This is really hard with leaning out a car window. There he goes. So I got some ponies and I got some donkey, and I don't know what else is over there. Oh, the camel's back?
Oh, my God.
The camel is like in the back of the truck. Oh, look, he's back.
Yeah, he's coming in the window.
Oh, these camels are so funny. Okay, guys, this is a zebra of some sort. He's got striped legs, but it looks like a donkey. He's like a donkey zebra. Oh, he got teeth. I'm just gonna drop him. Oh, he tried to grab the bucket. They all try to bite the bucket. So what are you? You're like a donkey with zebra legs. Yeah, you're weird. See okay. He's sort of got some stripes, so he's like a donkey zebra. Yes, this is a donkey zebra. Okay, we have an unknown animal here. It's some kind of a pig family. No, there's no horns on him. can't get out. You're not allowed to get out. There's a buffalo right there in front of me and several zebras. I'm going to get closer to the buffalo.
Over by a tree. It's coming to. Of a buffalo.
And there's a zebra standing almost in the road, but I'm shooting for the buffalo here. Hold on. If I get far enough up, I can get him out the side window. Come on, come on, come on. There he is. That's a good shot right there. That's as far as I can zoom. And literally right in front of me is a zebra and a goat who wants me to give him some food. No, buddy, you can't get on the truck. This one just crawled up on the truck. Probably got 100 dents on the truck now. He didn't warn us about that. Anyway, yeah, Dad's right. There's another buffalo right here. Hanging out with the ostrich, the zebras, and a goat who wants to climb on top of my truck, and I'm not going to let him. That's why I'm moving. All right, we give some food to the babies. These are two small buffaloes. We'll call them babies, so they're probably not. Definitely smaller than the other ones we saw. They're heading this way. All right, guys, we just took the trail. We're probably gonna go do it again because we got extra food. And once you're in this park, you're in for as long as you want to stay in. And right now we're in the picnic area. So we're in the picnic area. It's a gift shop, which we'll stop in on the way out. It's a petting zoo. Some more stuff up in here. And we're, looks like there's a pond and you can walk out on the thing. We'll do that in a minute. But we're here to have some lunch. We knew there was a picnic area, so everybody brought food. And when we're done here, we'll go check out the animals. And I think we're going to go ahead and do the trail again, skipping the back 40. We'll take the shortcut. Although the camels, we might just drive really fast past the camels this time.